Did you know that nearly half of adults over the age of 30 have gingivitis? Yep, that's right. If left untreated, it can lead to serious gum disease and tooth loss. So if you've got sore gums or bad breath, stick around because today we're diving into how to kick gingivitis to the curb, fast. Welcome back, everyone. Today we're tackling the topic of gingivitis. It's one of those things that can sneak up on you but is super important to address quickly. Taking care of your gums isn't just about that perfect smile. It's crucial for your overall dental health, too. So let's get into why you need to take action and how you can do it. All right, let's break this down. Gingivitis is the inflammation of your gums, and it can show up in a few ways. You might notice redness, swelling, or bleeding when you brush your teeth. It's pretty uncomfortable. And if you ignore it, it can progress to more severe gum diseases like periodontitis. That can lead to tooth loss and other health problems, so don't take it lightly. The discomfort alone is enough reason to start taking care of your gums right away. If you've noticed any of these signs, it's time to take action. Now that we understand the problem, let's discuss how to get rid of gingivitis step by step. First up, proper oral hygiene is your best friend. Brush twice a day with fluoride toothpaste and don't forget to floss. Flossing is super important because it gets rid of plaque between your teeth where your toothbrush can't reach. Next, consider making some dietary changes. Limit sugary snacks and beverages because sugar can feed the bacteria that cause plaque buildup. Instead, focus on eating crunchy fruits and veggies that can naturally help clean your teeth while you munch on them. Now here's the most crucial step, if you want fast results. Don't worry, here's the solution, do you know? This mineral in your mouth to rebuild your gums and teeth. It may sound odd, but it is scientifically proven. According to a Harvard scientist, swallowing these newly discovered bacteria is all you need to do to fix all your dental issues. From gum bleeding and teeth rotting to bad breath and cavities. These amazingly efficient bacteria work by reconstructing your enamel, the outer layer of your teeth, making them 20x stronger than a normal tooth. Like a titanium shield against cavities, root infection, and enamel erosion. Some say their teeth are now stronger than a dental implant. Who would have thought that a candy could save anyone struggling with tooth decay and inflamed gums? This natural soft candy has stunned both scientists and people all around the world. Simply let it melt in your mouth after brushing your teeth to get rid of cavities almost overnight. It will not only restore your teeth, but also rebuild your gums and eliminate bad breath. See here the amazing results of 34,788 people who have already tried this. Check out the link in the description. And in only 10 seconds, you will find out if your teeth have aged prematurely and whether you risk losing them in the next 2 years. Find the test in the description and what you can do to rejuvenate your teeth and gums. Click link in the description to do the test in the next 10 seconds.